All right, so we've got a DEF tank here. It's out of a Jeep Gladiator. It's pretty similar setup for the Wranglers and the Ecodiesels, the Rams. The tank will be in a slightly different shape, obviously, for the different vehicles, but this one's out of a Gladiator, just dropped, so you can still see it's got the metal shield still on it, the pump's still attached. So the plan today is just to make a quick little video for you guys. We're gonna pull this apart and we're gonna cut the tank open and you can see what's inside, because there's so much misinformation online about what's inside these tanks and how they function. So picture's worth 1,000 words, right guys? There we go. Okay, so this is the bottom of the tank. This is obviously your pump, your screen. All this stuff you see in here is just from me cutting this. But this right here, this is your sensor. This right here, this whole unit. This does everything. Does the temperature, quality, and fuel level. Or fluid level, I should say. It's an ultrasonic detection system. Basically, it sends waves through. We'll put a little blurby up in the video, but it'll send pulses through the fluid, and it can measure the return wavelength, so it knows how much fluid is in the tank. Hence why when you hear people saying, don't fill these up too much, when you look at the top of the tank here, you see how if you overfill it, when that sensor is sending out those pulses, if it can't hit the top of the tank, it doesn't know where the top of the fluid is. So when you fill these right to the top, that's why you hear the problems where the gauge stops working, or you all know the scenarios that happen online. This is why. So now you can all see. This is showing how the ultrasonic waves measures the fluid in the tank.